Hello everyone, the following is the introduction of our product, 50-pin D-subconnector mill right angle staking type through hole. It has the following characteristics. 1. Machined right angle 90 degrees, mill plug 50-pin, machine pin through hole PCB mount and staking type. 2. Precision turned contacts, fine solder joints, resistance to plug, and good contact to ensure high quality, durability, and long life. 3. No welding required. No need for soldering iron and cumbersome tools. Easy wiring and depot shell options for enhanced electrical continuity. 4. The compact design of this board helped it fit in a small space, and it was very easy to attach the wires to the clearly labeled terminals. 5. It is widely used. It can connect all kinds of several devices such as computer, gate camera, barcode machine, industrial instrumentation, and other equipment for communication. The above is a brief introduction of our products. If you have any questions, you can send an email to consult us. Thank you.